This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer.
Oh my God! Wow!
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my new video. So, this is the video I wanted to make in this channel few months ago. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the thing which hated by all gamers. And that is lag or lagging, you can say. Look, I have divided this video into 3 different parts. Listen, the first one is why lag happens in PC or laptop, and another one is about its precaution, and the last and most important one is how to fix it. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Back to it, you ain't shown me no love, so I turn my back to you, yeah, I can't get no racks to you. I don't really care, 'cause I'm done. All the real love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face, 'cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no you can't hide or run. Yeah, I wish, yeah, everything I said, messing with your head, messing with your head. I said everything I said, messing with your head, messing with your head, bro, messing with your head.
Okay, now let's hold the first one part, and that is why lag happens. So, while there may be numerous underlying reasons for why a player experiences lag, they can be summarized as insufficient hardware in either the client or the server, or a poor connection between the client and server. Hardware-related issues cause lag due to the fundamental structure of the game architecture. There is one also reason, for example your HDD drive is being slow day by day, or, like I said in my previous video, your graphics card need to be updated. Now let's move to next part, and that is precautions to avoid lag and stutter. Look, I have already made a video on it, link in the description, but I can give few simple tips. Number 1, update your drivers. By updating outdated drivers, you will have fewer problems with your computer, improving equipment performance. The latest hardware manufacturer driver updates often contain improved and new features for hardware components. Performance: with updated drivers, your PC might run much faster. Number 2, never use a game which your PC can't handle. If you don't have enough RAM to run a game, the performance will suffer. If you don't have a fast enough CPU, the performance will suffer. If your GPU is too old, the performance will suffer. How much depends on how far away you are below the minimum. Number 3, cleaning junk files regularly. After playing games and driver updates, it is simply safe to delete these files from the OS. Downloaded program files are the files that gets installed whenever you install any application or any other program. You can delete as they are taking so much of memory space unnecessarily. Thumbnails are the preview of the images. Now we are coming at the end of the video. And the last and most important one is how to fix lag. In your life you may have searched at least on time in YouTube about how to fix lag in games or something. First, the most important thing is optimize your game's video settings. If your game is too resource hungry and your graphics card cannot provide enough processing power, the gaming experience could be frustrating. Setting a lower detail level or reducing resolution in the game settings can help a lot. Focus on reducing eye candy while maintaining things such as viewing distance that help you win. Switch on an FPS indicator if it's supported by the game settings, and fine-tune settings until you can consistently squeeze 30 to 60 frames per second out of your system. Number 2, optimize power settings. This one is critical for laptops but relevant for other computers too. Make sure you're playing on AC power and have the best performance mode enabled. The easiest way to adjust that is to click the battery icon in the taskbar and move the slider to the far right, where the best performance setting is located. And the last but not the least is halt unnecessary applications. Any apps that compete for resources with the game can introduce that dreaded lag. It may help to close all browser windows, unneeded chat apps, and everything else that is not system level and not related to the game you're playing. This small trick alone can solve the issue with lags. To get an idea of what apps consume the most memory and processing power, use Windows Task Manager app. If you click the More Details button in the lower part of its window, it will flood you with details on all processes running. Sort this table by the memory and CPU columns and consider closing the hungriest processes. So, that's it for today. I know I did not covered all the questions, but thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting me. Comment below if you want part 2 also.